Garden now.
It's great having my besties right there, just to make me feel a lot better. Move your... Seriously, it all runs like a retarded person like this. This could be Lewis running without we know.
He's black.
Fuck! Alright. Here's what we're gonna do. No, we're not. Wait! No! No! Oh, fuck off. 1 foot. 2 foot.
There we go. Moving.
Oh my god!
Look now. Look at that.
No! Running while I'm falling. Wait for it. Are you? Roll. Just roll.
You go on YouTube.
Run! No, I hate you, Lewis. Jesus. Can't even get off the line. Epic fails. Come on, I can do this. I'm watching this game through a camera now. I don't know if there's lag. I'm in, let's go. Look at finger pressing skills here.
How fast are you going on forward?
I can't see how fast I'm going forward.
It's on there, you need to look. 10. Look, 11 down.
Look at me down. Look at this for skills. Oh, my finger.
Keep going, bitch.
I'm stopping, no! Okay, fight. And they call it puppy love. I'm going backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Get
My arms are
your arms are it. Try your fingers, you fucking toss.
Kyle did it. Like this. Oh, I love the Kyle. Okay. Vibration on this.
I can feel vibration through my fingers what I'm pressing. Put camera to keyboard, you'll see steam. Hey, come on. This will be called the completion. Oh shit. No! Oh. No!
Oh, you fail. Getting ready for it now.
We're ready now. We're trying a different one. You think I was good at that? Then watch this. What the fuck is this kid? Retardation coming your way. Okay. Just do it! Come on! Oh, you... Don't bullshit me, man. Don't... Come on, I'm pressing the button! Come on. We can show these people how it's done.
Fucking arms dirty.
The cameraman's dying of AIDS.
That's why I need tripod.
Okay, watch and swing. As you can tell, we're hanging in there, aren't we, Glenn?
Yeah, hanging.
God, we're having some swinging performances here. Come on!
Go free.
Fuck free.
Got free.
I don't need no E. Oh my. Pigeon, pigeon. Squaw, 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 squaw. Which number letter do I let go?
It's dead. Stop it.
Oh my god. I had my hand up my ass. Oh.
No, that's a fail.
Nothing to see.
We'll just so that way.